Hey guys, we all know that from 18th March Navratri festival is beginning. Everyone is making so many preparations for the same. But this is the season when Weight Watchers have to see many things and they can't consume too much to keep them full. But don't worry, instead of taking so many bad calories and so many bad carbs, here are the recipe that you can swap it. Yes, I have swapped some unhealthy recipe with a healthy recipe, and that can help you to reduce your weight during Navratri as well. So guys, please check this video and you can have so many good options during your Navratri festival. So first we are swapping the deep fried sabudana tikki with the sabudana khichdi. Instead of having the deep fried sabudana tikki, you can go with the sabudana khichdi, which is full of nutrients and so much fiber that can help you to reduce your weight. And the second swap, we come with the fried banana chips and the dried banana chip. Instead of having too much oily fried banana chip, you can go with the dried banana chip. You can simply dry it in the sun, or you can use the air fryer as well, because there is very less oil used. The third swap is a very good that I really like it. That is, instead of having the deep fried singhada pakoda or any other pakoda you want to have in your Navratri festival, you can go with the baked one. Yes, no frying needed, as well as salt proportion is also controlled. Here is the another swap, same as the old one. Instead of frying tikki, you can have the dumplings or the balls. Like here I have mentioned the tikki of rice, you can have the same. Another swap is for the sabji, that is for the fried paneer sabji. Instead of frying your paneer, you can grill them. Like it will have such a good taste, as well as you can add veggies to it for a flavor and all that. So here is another swap that this is my personal favorite one. Yes, instead of having the full fat fruit cream, you can go with the fruit yogurt salad. There is no fat cream is needed and wholesome meal for you. Another swap is, instead of having the fried makhana, you can bake your makhanas and you can consume this meal, and it is equal to the wholesome that you can feel full for the long time, and it will help to reduce your weight. Another swapping is with the normal aloo tikki to the sweet potato aloo tikki. We all know that sweet potato is good for weight reduce, so you can swap your normal aloo to the sweet potato, and you can have different recipes with this as well. So this is for the child lover, and I am the one of them. Instead of having the chai with a full fat milk, you can consume it with the addition of herbs, as well as low fat milk. Instead of sugar, you can add like cinnamon, or you can add the shakar. So these were the few options, and here are the another few options that you can add. Instead of old recipe, you can have varth wale chawal ka dhokla. The recipe is as simple as the old dhoklas. So another one is the fruit salad in yogurt dressing. Seriously guys, try this one, and if you tried this, you will forget the fruit cream. This is so amazing and full of nutrients and vitamins that can help your body to nourish and to reduce weight. Another is the low fat makhana kheer. Remember, whenever you are making kheer during your fast, or you want to have kheer, make it in a low fat milk instead of heavy fat milk, so it can also give a taste to your taste buds and help to reduce weight. Another is the banana walnut nasi. It is a punch power bank glass that can help you to go on during your fasting days. So have it fun, and it is very delicious guys. Forget to adding sugar in your old lassi, add a banana and you are ready to go. Another one is the fruit and yogurt smoothie. Take any sweet fruit you like and add yogurt to it and blend it and have a cup of smoothie. So guys, these were the few options that can help you to reduce weight. Thank you. Guys, these were the few recipes that can help you to reduce your weight during Navratri festival. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Please guys, subscribe my channel and share the video as much as you can. Thank you so much.